see some like everybody make some noise. I can hear you. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy right here is on fire. That's why we call him Blaze. What's the energy? Let's go. Make some noise for Blaze one time. Up next, we got my man Doug. Wow! Ladies, he's flexible. He doesn't need a woman. Let's go. My boy, you can catch him on Raul Alejandro tour. Representing, make some noise for Doug. Let's go. Coming in next, Zeku, the host of your show. Whoa. We call that what your man can't do, ladies. Make some noise for Zeku one time, come on! He needs the energy, make some noise! Let's go, Zek. Oh my God! Sweet! Oh! Oh my goodness! What's the energy?